Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: the Xbox, the display, and the HDMI link. You need HDMI too, 0 or better for 4K at 60Hz, so swap cables or ports if unsure. Once done, power both devices and set the TV to the correct input. This ensures the Xbox detects the screen correctly. Make sure to disable pass-through modes on receivers; those can interfere. By addressing hardware first, you avoid wasting time troubleshooting software settings that depend on a good signal. You now change the Xbox settings. Go to Settings, General, then TV and Display options. Select your resolution and refresh rate to match the display. Choose 4K and 60Hz only if the TV and cable support it. You should enable or disable HDR based on the TV's capabilities. HDR looks better but can cause brightness shifts, so test both. Next, set color depth and color space. Higher bit depth improves gradients, but only if the TV accepts it. Finally, run the display and HDR calibration. You finish by restarting the console so the new modes apply cleanly. Test using both a game and the dashboard to confirm consistency. If the screen goes blank after changing settings, perform a display reset. Hold the Xbox power button for 10 seconds to fully power down, then power up while holding the bind and eject buttons until you hear a second beep. This forces low-resolution safe mode. Make sure both the Xbox and TV firmware are up to date. Updates frequently fix compatibility issues with HDR and 4K.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.